Okay, so here we've got a Rotten Dog mpu9211 that came in with wonky displays. So what it was strobe 8 on the 74154 was stuck high, which was actually a bad 74. This was a HCT 154. And as you can see there, it tests bad there in my chip tester as well. So we went ahead and removed it here from the board, socketed, and installed a new 74154. I replaced the power input header, and the board had came in with a smashed box, and this header here at, what is that, 1G14 was actually bent completely over, so I went ahead and replaced that as well. So we've got two new .156 headers, new socket, then also a new 74154. So we'll go ahead and get this thing booted up here, and I've got my background soundboard connected to it. So as you can see, we've got all displays working and lamp matrix dancing. Go ahead and get this thing in the test. Music is working. And then into displays. And we have all the digits completely back and working 100% there. And all the lamps. And into the single lamps here as well. So we'll just kind of fly through these. And then go over to the solenoids, which with high speed, Williams did not, what is the word I'm thinking of? My mind has just totally went blank here. But basically there's no AC side, it's just the one. And I'll think of the word after I'm done recording this video too. And so we'll go into switches and going through diagonally, testing both rows and columns. And then last switch in high speed is switch 52 there. So we are 100% good to go, and back up and working perfectly like it should be. So, but thank you so much for seeing that. I appreciate it.